Next example, a shopkeeper sold 10 pens for rupees 120. He suffered a loss of 30 rupees. What was the cost price of a pen? One pen. Cost, we have to find the cost price of one pen. Here, selling price of 10 pen is given. So, selling price of one pen equal to rupees 120 divided by 10, that is rupees 12. He suffered a loss of rupees 30. Loss is given, loss equal to rupees 30. So, cost price of 10 pen equal to, if loss is given, the selling price must be greater than the cost price must be greater than the selling price. 150. The cost price of 10 pen equal to 120 plus 30, that is 150. There is the loss, so selling price is less and cost price is greater. So cost price of one pen, a pen, equal to 150 divided by 10, that is rupees 15. Answer is option number 2. Or another way, loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Loss is 30. We have to calculate the cost price. Selling price is 120. So 30 plus 120 is equal to cost price. Cost price of 10 pen is 150. So cost price of 1 pen, 150 divided by 10, rupees 15. Next example. Selling an article for rupees 120 incurs a certain loss. But if it is sold for rupees 195, the gain is 1.5 times the incurred loss. What is the cost of price of that article? Now, let certain loss be X. Let loss be rupees X. I take the loss rupees X. And selling price is given. Selling price, if the selling price is 120. So cost price, what is the cost price? Cost price equal to selling price minus, or we write the loss equal to cost price minus selling price. And loss is equal to X. Cost price, we don't know the cost price of that article, but selling price is 120. So cost price, we have to find the cost price. Cost price equal to X plus 120. Cost price equal to X plus 120. In first transaction, if selling price is equal to rupees 195 and there is the profit, and profit is equal to the 1.5 times of that loss. Loss is X. So profit is 1.5 times of X. We have to find here cost price. And cost price equal to, when there is profit, selling price minus profit. Cost price, we have to find here cost price. Selling price 195 and profit is 1.5 X. The cost price of the same article. These are the cost price of the same article. So this equation 1 and this equation 2 both are the same. So X plus 120 equal to 195 minus 1.5 X. Here is the cost price. Here is also the cost price of the same article. So these two equations are equal. So solve these two equations and find out the value of the X. Now x plus this minus goes to this side 1 and 1 half. 1 and 1 half means 3 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3 upon 2. That is 3 upon 2x. This goes to this side minus goes minus plus 3 upon 2x equal to 195 minus 120. 1 plus 1x plus 3 upon 2x, that is 1 plus 3 by 2. Cross multiplication 2 plus 3, 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2x equal to 75. So x equal to 75 into 2 in multiplication and 5 goes in division. 5 ones are 5, 15. 15 twos are 30. X equal to 30. Now put the value of x. So cost price, what is the cost price then? X plus 120. Value of x is 30. 30 plus 120, that is 150. The cost price of the article is now 150. Next example, selling an object for rupees 125 incurs some profit. But if it is sold rupees 80, the loss incurred in twice the incurred profit. What is the cost price of the object? If same object is first sale at rupees 125, there is the profit. And if it sale at 80, there is the loss. So, this is the selling price. Selling price is rupees 125. If the object is sale as 125, there is the profit. Means, what it means? The cost price is less than selling price, that is 125. Here are the 4 options. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sale, we have to find the cost price and cost price is less than 125. So 1, 2, 3 options are wrong. These are the greater than 125. Answer must be 110. By observation, we calculate the answer 110. But we have to solve it now. Selling price 125 and suppose profit equal to x. In first case, profit equal to rupees x. We have to find cost price. If there is the profit, then cost price is equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price, because selling price is greater. Cost price equal to selling price minus profit. Cost price equal to 125 minus x. This is the number 1 equation. Now another way. Now selling price is rupees 80 and there is the loss. And loss is equal to twice the incurred profit. So loss is equal to 2x. So cost price equal to, when there is the loss, the cost price equal to selling price plus loss. Selling price equal to 80 plus 2x. This is the equation number 2. Now cost price, these are equal. So these two equations, left right hand side are equal. 125 minus x equal to 80 plus 2x. 125 plus 80 equal to 2x plus x. $205 equal to 3x. So x equal to 205 divided by 3. Plus 80 goes here, minus 125 minus 80, 45 equal to 3x. So 45 divided by 3, that is 15. And our answer is cost price equal to 125 minus x, cost price equal to 125 minus 15, cost price equal to 110. So our answer is option number 1. But by observation, we calculate the answer because here is the selling price 125 and there is the profit. So the cost price must be less than 125. So these options are not less than 125. So answer is 110. Option number 1. No need to solve all these. By observation, we find out the answer. 13 example. A shopkeeper sold 2 items for rupees 1248 each. After selling, he got 4% profit on first item and 4% loss on the second item. In this transaction, how much was the loss? Loss or profit is on the cost price. First upon, we know the cost price of the 2 item each. First, selling price of first item is equal to rupees 1480 and profit equal to 4%. So we have to calculate the cost price of first item. This is the example of the direct variation. First of all, let if cost price and selling price is 100, if the cost price is 100, then selling price, there is the profit. So selling price, profit of 4%, so selling price must be 104. Cost price of the first item is 1240. Selling price of the first item is 1248. We have to calculate the cost price. So from that, we write the x upon 100 equal to 1248 divided by 104. First upon, find the cost price of the first item. Divide this number by 104. That is 12. 12 into 100, 1200. So first atom, the cost price of the first atom is 1200. Cost price of first atom is equal to rupees 1200. Now similar way, selling price of second atom equal to rupees 1248. But there is the loss of the 4%. Loss of the 4%. We have to calculate the cost price of second atom by using the direct variation. Let here is the cost price and here is the selling price. If 100 rupees is the cost price and 4% of loss, selling price must be 100 minus 4, that is 96. We have to calculate the cost price of the second atom and selling price is 1248 by direct variation. Y upon 100 equal to 1248 divided by 96. So y equal to 1248 into 100 divided by 96. Y equal to cost. We have to find the cost price of the second atom. Divide 96, 1480. 1248 divided by 96. 96 ones are. threes. 13. 13 into 100. 1300. Cost price of second atom. So total cost price of two atom. $1,200 plus 1,300, 2,500. And total selling price, two atom. Both are the equal selling price, that is 2 into 1,248. 2,496. So loss equal to selling price, cost price minus selling price. There is loss because cost price is greater than the selling price. 2,500 minus 2,496, that is 4 rupees. Loss of the 4 rupees. But percentage of loss percent equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Loss is 4 upon 2,500. Total cost price is 2,500 into 100. Double zeros are cut. 4 upon 25. 4 upon 25. 0 divided by 25. 4 is divided by 25. 0. 25 ones are 25. 15. 0. 0.16. Answer is 0.16%. 0.16% loss. Our answer is option number 3. Selling price of first atom, there is the profit. So we have calculated the cost price. Make the table cost price and selling price. Let 100 be the cost price, 4% profit. So selling price is 104. Here we know the selling price of atom. We have to calculate the cost price. Use the direct variation. Similar way, there is the loss 100. So I take here 96. In both cases, we have to first find the cost price of the both atom. Now, 14 example. An atom sold for rupees 1,955 made 15% profit in the first transaction, and when it was sold for rupees 1,955 got 15% loss. Then in the whole transaction, how much was the total loss? Loss and profit is on the cost price. So we have to first find out the cost price of this atom and cost price of this atom. For first, selling price equal to rupees 1955, and there is the profit 15%. Profit equal to 15%. And we have to find the cost price. Make a table. When there is the cost price, ask cost price and selling price and profit or loss is given, then make the table. Cost price and here is the selling price. And suppose if there is the 100 is cost price, profit is 115, so selling price is 115. Selling price 1955, let the cost price be X. Similar from the example number 13. There is the direct variation. So X upon 100 equal to 1955 divided by 115. So X equal to 100 goes there in multiplication. Divide this number by 115. 17. Answer is 17. 17 into 100, 1700. So, first cost price of the first atom. Cost price of first atom. 1700. Now, for the second atom. Selling price is 1955. There is the loss of 15%. And we have to find the cost price first. Make the table. Make the same table. Cost price and selling price. 100 is the cost price. Then selling price is 15% loss. 100 minus 15, 85. Y is the cost price and then selling price is 1955. Find out the Y, value of the Y, cost price of the second atom. Y upon 100 equal to 1955 upon 85. So Y equal to 1955 into 100 divided by 85. Divide this number by 85. 23 into 100, 2300. So cost price of the second atom. $2,300. So total cost price. We have to find the total loss. So first find the total cost price 1700 plus 2,300. That is 4,000. Total cost price is 4,000 and total selling price equal to 2 into 1955. 3,910. So there is the loss because selling price is less than cost price. 4,000 minus 3,910. In the example, rupees 90. Loss is equal to rupees 90. So percentage loss percent equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Loss is 90 and cost price is 4,000 into 100. Double zeros are cut. One numerator denominator zeros are cut. 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. 9 divided by 4. 9 twos are 8. 1 dot. 2 integer 1 by 4. 2 integer 1 by 4%. So our answer is option number 3.